When you're working into a stitch, you have two loops here that you can work into. Let me put the hook underneath both of those so you can see them. This would be the front loop here, and this is the back loop there. So when you're told to work in the back loops only of a stitch, you go right where it says, into the back loop, and work whatever stitch that you're instructed to do. I'm working some single crochets across here, and I'm going to show you something that when you work in the back loops, there is a ridge of unused loops that are called the free loops. It's these loops right here. They're originally the front loops of the stitch. And if you are told to work into the free loops of a row or round, those are the loops that you would be working into.